This is part 2 of my coffee table build. If you missed part 1, click here.
I mentioned lots and lots of sanding, right? Well, step 17, finish sand the top. I used 180 grit on an orbital sander. In part 1, I also mentioned how important it is to sand with the grain with the belt sander. Well, the orbital sander did not take out belt sanding marks. Step 18, apply wood conditioner to both the top and the base. You can find a video on the importance of pre-stain wood conditioner in the link above. This is Minwax pre-stain wood conditioner. Step 18, apply the wood stain. This is Minwax Jacobine wood stain. We used it to match the farmhouse dining room table. You're just starting to see the grain in this red oak pop, but you wait for it. Now let's wipe off the stain and reveal this beautiful grain. Step 19. Apply your polyurethane. We used Minwax fast drying clear satin polyurethane. Apply it with the grain. And then once you've applied it, go back with long sweeping strokes and smooth it out. And then lightly sand your urethane between coats. We used 220 grit. Once again, sand with the grain. 2 coats of poly on the base, 3 coats of poly on the top. Step 20, mount the lift top hardware to the base. We will have detailed instructions on the installation of the lift top hardware in an upcoming video. Now remove the lift top hardware from the base and mount it to the top. Step 22, mount both the top and the hardware to the base. Use the same holes that you used earlier.
For detailed instructions on installing the lift mechanism, click here. To see our modern farmhouse table with breadboard ends build, click here. To subscribe, click here.